Dogecoin. Doge for the most part is a mineable coin that essentially is at present exchanged at $0.0708876 per unit. With the market capitalization of $9,939,456,310, that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital currency in a significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for actually retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for pretty huge institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful support against expansion that takes an extremely weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which truly is very critical. Hence, having it sort of the most on a piece of the portfolio committed to crypto, for the most part, is for all intents and purposes an absolute requirement for any dealer and financial backer who certainly needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years especially. Be that as it may, with it comes the need to intently generally follow the advancements on the expressed market to understand what is going on and sort of have some feeling representing things to come, or so they basically thought. This Dogecoin cost expectation model in every way that really matters was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, explicitly track down the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and truly keep the value band filling in an essentially significant manner. Yet, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin investigation and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the very fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and speculation. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its especially current standings, as well as the midterm, and in every practical sense, long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin remains at $0.070876, and this essentially specific advanced resource stands firm on the 10th footing in the worldwide cryptographic money really positioning. For sort of your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money especially is vigorously dependent on its essentially current market capitalization and cost, and in a real sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. In opposition to prevalent thinking, likewise to fundamentally get in every way that really matters, better handle of the market circumstance, and sort of figure out the overall bearing of the pattern, or to enroll its non-attendance. It's likewise critical to especially examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which essentially is very huge. Recently, on July 18, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.069908 at the end of the sort of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 3.71% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing value 7 days prior. On July 12, the Dogecoin market explicitly remained at $0.065293 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost most certainly moved by 0%, comparable to its in every practical sense present standing. A month prior, on June 19, Dogecoin was evaluated at $0.062312, which concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Contrasted with the for the most part present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 13.74% cost move. These figures ought to especially yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost estimate generally depends on the appearances of CVIX in a fundamentally huge manner. In any case, to especially figure out the especially by and large essentially capability of Dogecoin, or any by and large other cryptographic money so far as that is concerned, it's critical to really consider the cost variances, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource, or so they especially thought. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer, or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its exceptionally by and large prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as an in every way that really matters key pointer to be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, which is genuinely critical. It fundamentally is determined by duplicating the very all-out number of coins that basically are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now explicitly remains at $0.070876 in a kind of significant manner. Considering that equation, we for the most part have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $9,939,456,310, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those present on the digital money market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Recently, on July 18, the market capitalization of Dogecoin remained at $9,802,189,612. Keep going weak. On July 12, the essentially aggregate sum of capital committed to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $9,149,797,709. The information from a month prior, enrolled on June 19, shows that Dogecoin explicitly had a market capitalization of $8,712,739,325, or so in every practical sense. Thought. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have previously been mined, printed, or generally made and truly are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' chilly wallets. The truly complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that in a real sense have been singed, put unavailable for general use. To keep a solid expansion rate in a for the most part enormous manner, it can explicitly measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that for the most part is public on the financial exchange. The extremely complete stock of Dogecoin at present for the most part remains at 140,237,396,384 Doge in an unpretentious manner. As currently made sense of, the circling supply in every way that really matters is the most generally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It compares with the sort of the best guess of the very generally number of coins that are public on digital currency trades and explicitly add to their liquidity in an exceptionally significant manner. Their volume does exclude the coins that truly are vested, marked in kind of shrewd agreements, secured in advance wallets, or for the most part put unavailable for general use, which is genuinely huge. The coursing supply is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the securities exchange in a by and large significant manner. At this moment, the flowing inventory of Dogecoin for the most part is assessed at 140,237,396,384 Doge. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can especially help one sort of decide better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the principles of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently explicitly happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally beautiful high volume, since their huge cash for the most part had sort of come into explicitly play incredibly. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market generally was as per the following. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours,